Tired of manually adding contacts to your new iPhone? In this video, I'll show you how to automatically sync all your Google contacts directly to your iPhone, so they're always up to date. The first step is to add your Google account to your iPhone settings. Go to Settings, scroll down and tap on Contacts. Tap Accounts, tap Add Account, choose Google. Sign in with your Google email and password. Once you're signed in, you just need to turn on the contact sync. After signing in, you'll see a list of services to sync. Make sure the contacts toggle switch is turned on. You can also choose to sync mail, calendars, and notes if you want. Tap Save in the top right corner. Your iPhone will now start syncing your Google contacts. This might take a few moments depending on how many you have. And that's it. Your Google contacts will now automatically sync to your iPhone. Any new contact you add on either device will be synced to the other.